are working on 2008 Volvo C70 wheel bearing hub assembly. So, two front wheel bearing hub assembly. We already installed one, and we're going to get this one off. And then this one off. There's a part number right there, 672. It's called Master Wheel Hub and Bearing Installer kit from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. That thing is like $450 to rent that. So if anything go wrong, $450 die. So we're gonna make sure do everything the right way. Go back, return the tools back. But all these parts came from over there anyway, so they're not losing. We're not losing. They're not losing it. But the good thing is that they let you borrow their tools. So we're gonna give them a thumbs up for that. And let me show you the old one. This is the old one that we took off. See, that's the old one. And then the new one we're gonna be putting in. Yeah, safety first, man. You gotta clean your work area, but we're trying to clean work area right now, man. Alright. We're gonna be installing this one. This is the new one, that's the old one. Alright, install one, we're gonna move on to that one. So stay to it. So to do install, you know how to put this in to protect this wheel lock nut so you can't break that, all these scratches on it. So you're gonna need that thing on it. So far so good, stay to it. We're gonna move on to this one. Take that out, put this new one in. That'll be it.